Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to topic 17. In this topic, we're going to be entering into the kitchen design for this bungalow. Now, as I've told you guys in the previous topic, that this space is the kitchen area and this is the living area. So we will be entering into this group now to select this area, and you can see that this surface is 0.02 below this surface. So that's okay, we will create a tiling for the kitchen as well. Now we can do a single click selection over this, Control C. Control C will let us copy. Then you can see I've come outside the group. I'm not inside the group anymore. And I will press Control V so I can have this outside the group. Now if most of you all are having these questions, why are we creating it outside the group and not inside the group? Well, that's because we can easily make changes to the kitchen without always entering into the structure group. And it's always better to have our groups segregated so we can easily make changes in whichever group we want easily. Well, once you guys have copied this surface outside, I would like to start by taking an offset of 0.5. This would basically give us an outline of how our entire kitchen should be looking. So as you all can see, I've taken the L-shaped platform over here, and we'll be providing the entrance from this side. Over here, I would like to provide a tea time table. So what I will be doing is, I will draw a line from here at 1.2 meters. And the line is drawn on top of this black line, so you can easily find it with the help of the green point which says end point. And I can now select a 2-point arc, and making it 99 sides, I can draw arc something like this. Now we can erase these lines off. I'm sure these steps are coming very easy to you all because you have gone to the basics so many times, correct? Now we can draw a line from here and erase this off. Now once we are done with this much, we can pick this platform up to 0.9, enter. That will be the level of our platform, and we can just erase these lines off. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to be selecting this surface and M control and copying this surface from here all the way up to this point over here. Now why have I copied and not picked it up is because I would like this table to be independent on its own, and we'll be doing a little bit of styling as well within this portion. Now once I'm done with this much, you have to understand that this platform over here will consist of our top platform plus cupboards below it. So let's see how we can do those easily. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select our top platform. Now make sure that you have a line over here so that only this L is selected. Then I will use M control to copy this surface below, and I will copy it 0.05. 0.05 is 5 centimeters, which is good enough and it looks good in a platform. And I will again copy this line only, which is copied once. I will copy this down again, 0.01 this time. So that's only 1 centimeter. And once I'm done with this, only from these two edges, so that will be this side, I will push it in 0.02, and I will also push it inside from here 0.02. Now for all of y'all who are maybe not hardcore designers or are just entering the design field, what I have right now created is a groove. Grooves basically give very clean lines to our drawings. Once I've pulled this groove inside at 0.02, I will push this base also till the 0.02 level. So we will be something like this. And I will go ahead and push this also inside till the 0.02 level. Now if you all are thinking we created a groove, then why are we pushing this inside? Well, that's because our doors will be coming over here. So I can now select this. Holding control, I can select this surface as well. So I have the entire L surface with me, and I can copy this surface outside over here. Once I've copied this surface outside, I can pull this now at 0.02 outside. Similarly, pull this 0.02 outside, and this would be our thickness for the doors. Again, the kind of doors that we create here will be depicting doors. They won't be actual doors, but they have to look like doors in our model. I will also be telling you all how you all can create single doors, which is not very difficult. Now we'll be taking the line tool and dividing this line into half. Again, I will be coming here and dividing this entire line into half. Similarly, this portion into half, as well as this portion into half. Now once I've divided it into these many portions, you can see that this is our corner area. So for the corner, I will divide this space also into half, having these both as one single L-shaped door, and this will be my pull-out drawer. This will also be a openable door as well as this, but over here we will divide this into half and then just divide the top portion into half to have 1, 2 and 3 drawers. Now once we are done with this much, since we are providing a 0.01 groove over here, we will be providing the same 0.01 groove to all of these lines. So I will now select this line and press Ctrl and copy it on this side, 0.01, enter. Similarly, I will go ahead and select both of these lines as well as this line and this line, and M Ctrl and copy this, 0.01 on this side as well. Now I will go ahead and select both of these lines, which is this, and I will copy them up, 0.01 as well. Now we can easily go and erase off all these portions from inside like this, so we have clean lines everywhere, and we can push this portion behind like this. Similarly, we can do this for all the portions, but make sure once you have pushed all of these behind, you actually go ahead and erase these very small lines in between, and that's what's going to basically help us provide the groove. So these small lines are very important. One more tip for all of y'all who will be modeling: sometimes when you are scrolling in, and if you're scrolling into the open space like this, your scroll will go very fast. But if you scroll onto a surface, you will be able to control the speed as such. Now once y'all are done with this, just make sure that you guys are erasing all these lines off from here. Similarly over here and over here, and this one as well. Now guys, once y'all are done with this much, we can easily select all our doors by making a box over them and making them into one single group. Now once we're done with this, we can go ahead and put our handles on top of these. Now do understand, each of these doors, if made into separate groups, can act as an individual door. So that's also a way that you can create individual doors and place them over here. But for that, of course, you will have to build the interiors of this, which you can easily do it by taking offsets and pushing inside by creating shelves. But for now, we will only be sticking to how to create these doors. Now the next thing over here is I will be needing to create handles. So for the handles, we can easily just draw a line over here. Doors. Well, that's it guys. Once you guys are done with creating this much, we will be seeing how to create handles, how to provide details, how to provide shelves, and all of that in the next topic. So please complete this much and I'll see you there. Take care guys.